Bullish Jasmy coin. Jasmy cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.018233 and $0.03444 by 2030. Market examiners accept Jasmy could reach $0.014181 by 2025. Bearish Jasmy coin market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.003241. Jasmy coin. Jasmy presentation. Jasmy coin, as a stage, was sent off to utilize the Web of Things, IoT, gadgets, and media made to store and handle information in a decentralized structure. Very much like the non-exclusive design of a market, the cryptographic money market continues developing and fanning out, while inviting new conventions and groups consistently. Be that as it may, with this ceaseless advancement and development, more cycles are made to support them, and one of these arrangements is Jasmy coin. Jasmy. Jasmy stage fills in as an information security convention that places information a majority rules system at a high worth and plans to go about as a delegate for the protected trade of information and resources through their confidential individual information storage spaces (PDL). This guarantees that information isn't handily gotten to by unapproved parties and further handled and put away in unified frameworks, which help information examination and hoarded conjectures. In this video, we'd investigate the idea of Jasmy coin. Jasmy. Will the past cost presentation make it a wise speculation for the following bull run? Will it hit all-time again after this demise winding? And what's the cost gauge for Jasmy before very long? Jasmy coin is an Ethereum-based coin and local badge of the Jasmy stage, a Japanese organization that Kunitake Endo made to interface more web, IoT, gadgets, subsequently improving the customary method of abundance move, as the gadgets are utilized as an installment for the help. This symbolic serves an enormous scope of issues and purposes. Jasmy applications. Jasmy applies to on-chain exchanges, as it gives a stage to people and organizations to move tokens involving computerized gadgets, as evidence of significant worth trade or installment for administrations. Jasmy is applied to move tokens later or during an exchange as installment for administrations presented on the convention. Jasmy can likewise be applied to our everyday exercises like program driving, dispatch administrations, and in any event, shopping. For example, Silos Centropay, a SenseNet blockchain installment stage created, got, and coordinated by Jasmy, can be utilized at candy machines. Jasmy additionally fills in as a framework that empowers information trade among organizations, as they expect to construct an uncommon time of data. This multitude of utilizations referenced above show that the utilization instance of Jasmy both on-chain and in reality is areas of strength for that interest in the token won't fade yet rather increment over the long run. It's a decent coin to purchase for a wise speculation portfolio. Nonetheless, this isn't monetary exhortation as you're encouraged to investigate as needs be. Jasmy coin is right now worth $0.004052 United States dollars. Jasmy has moved 3.93% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $18,368,016. Jasmy coin is right now position 137 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $196,549,406 United States dollars. Using the general strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination uniqueness, MACD. From the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Jasmy coin. Jasmy. To conclude, whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Jasmy coin, Jasmy, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Jasmy coin. Jasmy, value forecast 2023. Jasmy coin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. Jasmy. The Jasmy cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0.006078. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous. However, no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.005672 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible soon, given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Jasmy is supposed to have a base worth of $0.004862. Jasmy coin. Jasmy, value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Jasmy coin. Jasmy cost forecast has a lot of space for extension because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, We guess that the cost of Jasmy will before long outperform $0.010129. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the Jasmy's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Jasmy will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.008103 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.008914. Jasmy coin, Jasmy. Value forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.014181 and Jasmy might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Jasmy is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.012966 and a low of $0.012155 in 2025. Jasmy coin, Jasmy. Value expectation 2026. Assuming Jasmy coin effectively helps market opinion among digital money lovers, the Jasmy coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Jasmy will be green in 2026. The Jasmy is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.018233 with a base cost of $0.016207 and a typical cost of $0.017017. Jasmy coin, Jasmy. Value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Jasmy cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.021069 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.020259 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Jasmy has a most extreme value worth of $0.022285. Jasmy coin, Jasmy. Value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.025121. On the off chance that Jasmy figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.026336. Neglecting to accumulate the help Jasmy needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.024431. Jasmy coin, Jasmy. Value expectation 2029. While Jasmy is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0.028362 and a yearly cost close above $0.030388 in 2029. Jasmy coin, Jasmy. Value expectation 2030. By 2030, Jasmy coin will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0.032414 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of